and gentlemen, we now present to you the secret to making your teddy bears 3D. If you want your pattern pieces to look 3D, just curl the edges along your finger.
Hey, neat! I see what you're doing there. Hey, did you come up with this technique yourself? Ooh, tell me more.
I like to go around twice just to really make sure that the edges are rounded.
Good to know.
Your backside should look something like this. And if you want to make your bear really pop, we're going to make the muzzle, ears, and paws even more 3D. All you need are zots, which are 3D glue dots. Remember, these zots are really sticky, so be careful when you're using them.
You don't want to get yourself into a sticky situation.
If you're making a bear with exposed feet pads, then you also want to use the 3D zots for those pads. To use the zots, just place one in the middle of your pattern and place some glue around the edges and then seal the edges. If you don't seal them, you'll see an unsightly gap. After you have sealed the edges, just apply the same curling technique as before and curl the edges along your finger. You can put the optional white pad before or after you seal the edges. Now repeat the curling process with all your pattern pieces and add any zots if necessary. You can either add simple eyes and nose and glue everything together at this point, or you can first fluff the bears and add some shading. Just keep watching and I'll show you how.